Hi my friends, hope you guys are staying safe, right? So today also I would like to welcome you all to DP Kids. Right, just like every day I'm gonna tell you another craft today. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a beautiful fish. Right, let's see how we are gonna do that. Now, just like every day, we take some papers from different colors. I have taken blue color and red color and a white color paper. Okay, so let's keep this to a side and take the blue color paper. Right, and then you can do it from different colors, the fish. So if you want to do it in white color, you can do it white color. Right, okay, I took blue color. Right, you fold it like this now. Now we have to make it a proper square. So you fold it like this and cut it like this from this corner. So then you will get a proper square. Because A4 papers are usually rectangle. So, right. Now after folding it like this, take this part and fold it inside. It works to the center line. And then the other side also to the center line. Okay, and then now you have to take it like this corner you have to fold it, and then you have to cut the corner like this. Right, now this is the body of the fish. Okay, now put some gum on this side and paste it inwards onto the other side like this. Yeah, now we get something like this. Right, okay. Now after we fold it like this, we take this small part and then fold it like this again. This is the part that we cut it off from the A4 paper. So cut a shape like this, and then we can use this part as the bottom part of the fish. It's basically the bottom part of the fish's face. Just like this we can paste it. Right, now these are the pieces that we have made. Now we have to make the fins of the fish. Okay, now we are going to cut the fins of the fish. Let's draw it something like this. This the fins that's in the behind. You can cut this. Right, now I'm gonna attach another fin. Actually, I'm gonna make a scary one. What is it? A shark. Actually, I'm gonna do a shark today with sharp teeth. These are his front wings. Fins. Now these are his front fins. We'll paste these also. Onto the front side, we'll paste it like this. Okay, So also the shark has a fin on top of it. So we'll draw it like this. Now kids, when we do a craft, whether it's an animal or whether it's a flower, we have to first identify their features properly. So then only we can make sure that our craft also will look more real. Now this is the top fin. We'll put some gum and then paste this part also on the top. Right. Now there are some other parts that we had to fix. Let's take this red color paper and we'll measure his mouth. Now we are gonna take the measurements and make a big tongue. Okay, now we are gonna fix a tongue. Right, now we have to put teeth, no? Okay, now I'm gonna make teeth out of this white color A4 paper. Now fold it like this. Now look very carefully how I'm gonna make the teeth and how I'm gonna attach this to this body. Okay, I have cut one strip. Now I'm gonna cut one more strip because he has two parts, right? So upper part and the lower part. So we need to cut another piece because we need the upper part and the lower part both. Right. So take these two strips and measure it according to the size of the shark. Now put it there. Okay, let's do the lower part. Right, now we do two pieces like that. Fold this and then cut it like this, and let's cut the teeth. Right, okay, now we are done with the teeth like this. Okay, now before fixing it we have to cut it like this to two, and then we have to, can you see, you have to put a small fold like this. Yeah, now we'll see why we need to do this. On this fold you put gum and then you paste that on the mouth. Now this part also you put some gum and paste it like this. Right, okay, now these are the lower part of the teeth. Now the upper part, like take the measurement like this, like before, fold it in two and then cut that part also. Now we can cut these teeth also. Right. Now we are done with this. Now the upper part, we'll cut it like this. Just like before, make a small fold like this, because this is how you paste it. Now we paste it. Right, now we have to put 2 eyes. Now the eyes, will put some gum. Right, now we are done making a beautiful fish. Now that's how you make a shark like this. Now my friends, you would know how to do a creation like this out of things that you find at home. So just like this, we'll come up with new crafts, and obviously with things that you can find around your house, and that day-to-day things that you throw away. So until we meet you again, please make sure to stay in touch with DP Kids. So until then, have a nice day.